ramp. An inclined surface that connects two levels, an incline. A road that connects a freeway to a surface street or another freeway. Aviation, a mobile staircase that is attached to the doors of an aircraft at an airport. Aviation, a large parking area in an airport for aircraft, for loading and unloading or for storage. See also apron, skating, a construction used to do skating tricks, usually in the form of part of a pipe. A speed bump. Can we add an example for this sense? Obsolete, a leap or bound. A concave bend at the top or cap of a railing, wall, or coping, a romp. To behave violently, to rage. Obsolete, intransitive, to spring, to leap, to bound, rear, or prance, to move swiftly or violently. Obsolete, intransitive, to climb, like a plant, to creep up. Obsolete, intransitive, to stand in a rampant position. Can we add an example for this sense? Transitive, intransitive, to, cause to, change value, often at a steady rate. To adapt a piece of iron to the woodwork of a gate. An American plant, Allium trichocum, related to the onion, a wild leek. Appalachia, a promiscuous man or woman, a general insult for a worthless person. R A M P ramp.